What the? They should be in there, right? Yeah.
I don't honestly know.
Good morning, everybody. So today we're at our house, and it's gonna be a longer day today. Update, since I've been really bad with posting the videos. We did all the new windows. We've got lots of electricians here today. We're full send, like basically ready to finish it. And yeah, we changed our minds about the HVAC again. So I think last time you guys checked, we were on the mini split idea. Now we're on baseboard. So that's what me and Peyton are helping Jason with today, while we have the master electricians downstairs. I don't know what they're doing, to be honest. I think the panel has like a tear in it, so that's what they're doing. The lighting is so bad right now. I look like a man. Yeah, it's gonna be a really fun and long day. We have another investment property actually that is empty right now, so we spent all day yesterday cleaning that. And yeah, Mom's over there showing it to new potential tenants. We're gonna paint today, later, there, probably. Yeah, I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated.
My biggest concern for heating is this space because it's bigger, and I'm not sure where to put it so you don't block furniture and all the things that people would want to put in.
Jason, you know where the heaters are going?
He's gonna.
It's gotta be away from the outlet here, and then depending on where you want it in the other rooms, has to be away from an outlet. So you can size it to the size of the room. Between like small room like this, between 3 and 4 foot, and here. Is any of this going to be walled off, or do you use the Yeah, because you could put a 4-foot base.
So you can have it near it. I just can't have it under it.
Yeah, can't have it under it.
All right, but that's not going to be enough for this whole space.
No, because you can put one here. Same thing. It has to go near the window, so about 4 feet, another 4-foot one, or if you can.
Right here, but I can move one.
Well, you don't have to move it. What you could do also is put a 3-foot one, and then a 4-foot one, and then so forth.
So if you don't want to get it under it, that's about as close as you're going to get.
Yeah, so I got 55 inches between there, so a 4-footer in between.
Yeah.
There's a trail going from the front, and where the oil tank is here.
So I'm editing episode number 9, I think, and we are on the way to Home Depot to buy a bunch of heaters.
And more wire.
And more wire with a full car. Super
A
fun.
little question if we're going to get everything in here.
We'll fit it.
How many 6-foots do we need, too?
We need 2 6-foot heaters.
I got a roof rack on it.
I don't honestly know, to be honest.
Dad is dressed for the occasion.
Home Depot color. You got the Home Depot color on you.
Jeez, this place is so good. I think we should get one. So like we're here looking for 3-foot, what are they called? Cadet heaters. The app says that there's 77 in stock, aisle 8, bay 24, okay. Anyway, you see, we're here, aisle 8, bay 24, all the heaters are here. Where they're supposed to be, there's 0. I don't know if someone came and bought 77 of them. There's 2 3-foot ones here that are Dimplex, but that's not what we have. And then we need a second 6-foot too, so I don't know. Jason's looking for someone right now. So we have $150 worth of gift cards we're using. Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
The thermostats. Oh my gosh. I'm hitting my head. Okay. We got some stuff.
This is.
Wow, Turn around and go back.
Because I had to pick up a ladder from Lowe's, so.
If you're recording, let me know.
It's okay, I won't. So I just ran this, the toilet tea coming, wait, that's the lavvy, that's the toilet. Lavvy and toilet. Now we're working on the hot water, let's go. We got all of this crimped together, other than the pieces going up. This and this are not crimped. We need something to hang this better to the masonry. And now we're working on running it this all the way down this way. And then we'll bring it back over here on this one and over and up right there. So I'm gonna help her with that. Wow, that was really good, girl. Bro, these balls are so frustrating to walk on. Like, you gotta be extra careful or you'll be like rollerblading. Anyway, we finished some plumbing. Should I show you? I guess I should. Boom, hung those all the way down. 90 over. I wanted to put a T here, but that's wrong. It's only a 90. This isn't supported yet. That's it. And they're finishing up the electrical. I think Jason's done for today. We got all the baseboards in here. It's foam for the windows. Yeah, that's it for today, honestly. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna continue this one. All these videos have been like super short, so I kind of feel boring and bad about that. But hey, at least it'll keep you entertained for a couple of minutes, right? If you got any suggestions, questions, anything, put them in the comment section. Follow me on all the social medias. Come on, you know this by now. Buy my books. I'm coming out with a third one. I have so much more motivation for it now. So I'm gonna try and get that done. This month is my goal. And I only have 9 days left of this month, so I really gotta get working on that. But yes, see you in the next video. Bye.